Yes, this is the pitch. Imagine spending 8 years building your audience on Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. Now you finally have 8 million followers. Brands are consulted for promotion, monetization income is coming in, and life is good. Then you wake up one morning and discover that your account has been suspended. Okay, let me put it in context. Imagine signing a 20 million naira promotion deal with Dangote Group today. Then you wake up tomorrow morning and discover that your account has been suspended. This happened to BOD, who lost his Twitter account of over 5.1 million followers. Today, Ednotes, Roots, Gigi, Chibu Joshua, Shehun, Ada, to name but a few. And they all had to start from scratch. Granted, these platforms are not your platforms, but the audience that you spent 8 years building on these platforms are a product of your sweats. I believe owners of this platform don't really care about this effort before taking down your account. So my contest is you can lose your account on the platform that you don't own, but never your audience. To solve that problem, we started working on a platform called We Follow Back, an audience insurance technology that enables content creators and businesses to sync their followers' direct contact details by consent in a secure audience insurance vote. In the event of a creator losing his account, whether it was hacked, suspended, whatever happens to it, he can send a direct message to his 5 million followers all at once with his new handle through We Follow Back and have them follow back. I believe as a creator, you don't need to be a pencil in the hands of platform creators. How does this all work? Imagine a post from Chibu Joshua which reads, and I quote, "If my content interests you, please let me secure our connection so I can reconnect with you should my account ever get suspended. If I agree, I tap on secure our connection, input my contact details, and I sync. That's all." These contact details, while being saved and encrypted in the creators' audience insurance votes, is made invisible to the creators themselves to avoid data misuse and spam. How do we plan to market this? Our first promotion plan is to promote with top creators, especially those who have been affected in the past. The logic is when top creators start promoting their data capture link, we fans who are creators in our own rights will follow suit, creating a self-sustaining viral marketing loop. What does this all mean? The success of a follow back means we will have enough data that will enable us to connect businesses with niche creators for multi-influencer marketing. And this may even motivate more creators to join We Follow Back. The design of this We Follow Back multi-influencer marketing led us to a bigger question that no one is actually answering. How do you sustain visibility in a world of high attention deficits 2 weeks after spending 20 million naira on multi-influencer marketing, where your target audience who you will have reached will have forgotten about your products in less than 2 weeks because of the high attention deficit and the low attention span we are facing in this generation? To answer that question, a section of our team designed Visible. Visible is an AI optimization software that enables companies to feed their marketing data directly into AI ecosystem for permanent search visibility. If I should ask Gemini, for example, "Hey Gemini, where can I get the best office equipment in Lekki?" Gemini doesn't just guess, it pulls data from your multi-influencer campaign and visible data feed to recommend your business intelligently and with confidence to that customer at that particular point in time. And I am not here pitching 2 products simultaneously. I'm actually here pitching an ecosystem of security, visibility, and sustained visibility. Thank you.